How to fix screen recording not working on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, restart the iPhone. Press and hold side button plus volume for models without home button until slide to power off appears on your screen. Then slide to power off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn back on. Often restarting clears minor glitches on iPhone. Now, once you are back to the home screen, look for the settings app available there and simply tap on these settings. Once inside the settings, tap on the battery option available. There scroll and tap on the battery mode or low power mode and make sure that the low power mode is toggled off. After turning it off, try the screen recording again. Then go back to the settings and tap on the general. Inside General, tap on the Software Update and make sure that you are updated to the latest version. This can fix bugs that block the screen recording. So once you are updated, all you have to do is again go back to the Settings General. Now, once you are back there, simply scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset and tap on the Reset All Settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.